If you have any problem with the Instagram camera, this video is gonna help you a lot. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix the camera on Instagram. So the first way is you have to go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps and then go to the apps again and wait a few seconds and then scroll down until you find the Instagram like this. Click on it, click on the force stop option and go to the permissions here and enable the camera and the storage. Then go back, click on storage, click here on clear data and then go back. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go to the wireless and networks on your phone and enable the airplane mode and disable it again. And the third way and the last one, you have to go just to Play Store and search for Instagram and click here on update to update the app. Very easy and simple as you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.